heard that in a lot of fruits and vegetables, nutrients dense many times are on their skin, and that is one of the reasons why you should buy organic, because you will feel more comfortable to eat the fruit and the vegetable with the skin on. And this is what I'm going to do with this potato. Making the roasted sweet potato for my daughter Kaya. This is very easy. Cut into pieces. Just use oil. You don't really even need salt and pepper. And just taste its own sweetness of it. And the sweet potato, they come actually in so many kinds too. It's really fun to experiment them. Highly suggest them. And you see, this is also skin on. Same idea. I bought them organic, so I feel comfortable to keep the skin on and eat it and have the nutrient from the skin also in my body. Yummy. Family life is so busy. I have like 3 things going on in the kitchen. The snack that I just did finish it, and then I'm actually making soup, the pea soup, which is in a pot right here. You can hear it. And I made the broth from the roasted chicken. So the broth is gonna go into the pea soup, but the main dish for tonight is pot roast, and I will make it from pork shoulder. It tastes so yummy. I'm not a big beef eater. Anyway, I really don't like the flavor of the beef, but when it's come to pork, I really enjoy it. Now, I never a fan of chopping the garlic on the board until it becomes 5 pieces. I am more like a modern pesto smash type of garlic person. I do this all the time. I feel like it saves so much time. Done. So quick. And here it is. Organic pork shoulder. A lot of people making pot roast with a big piece of meat. They just like salt and pepper them and just put in a pot and go into the oven and let it cook for a long time. I don't have that much time, so the hack I use to cut the time in half or even more is just to cut it into bite-sized pieces. And the length of time that is going to take to cook everything is about actually 1.5 to 2 hours. Yeah, that's the size of it. And I'm throw it right into my cast iron pot. And I'm going to salt and pepper it right in there. Then I will put it on the stove, put the oil in it and sear the meat to have some color before the whole pot will go right into the oven. The garlic that I just smashed,
that is gonna go also in with the pork. Yep. It's gonna be bubbling. Yep. You see that tomato softened, onion still kind of in the shape. Yep. Let break down the tomatoes a little bit. Now from here, it's going to be the vegetable. Another 45 minutes.